Oh, hi there.
In a world where precision means survival, one drone dares to break the rules. No manuals, no training, just instinct.
Wow, look at this place. This is perfect opportunity to test this drone. Let's go. We can fly through here. We can fly through there. And there's no one's around. So if I crash the drone, it's not going to be embarrassing because no one will know apart from you guys. So I bought this drone 2 days ago and I always wanted one of these. So everyone's saying that it's super difficult to fly those drones, but I really wanted to try. So let's go for it. So we have 4K 50 frames, but that's pretty much all I know for now. Let's just go fly. And like a true professional, I did zero prep, didn't read the manual, didn't change the settings, and didn't even look at the menu. I just thought to myself, why not fly it like a DJI Mini 2 that I have? And you know what? It did actually work. Flying around was basically like playing an Xbox, until I tried to actually fly through tight spaces. Oh my god, I went in! Oh no, oh no! I almost crashed. Oh, ah. Oh, I'm gonna crash! I hit the wall! No! No, no, no! Nothing really happens! Look at this! It's fine! Look! Also, it's quite hard to fly in a windy condition. If you do like me, every shot is gonna be... Oh. So I got home very excited, imported the footage into Final Cut and boom, it's 1080p. Because I never changed the settings. So now I have crispy, high quality disappointment. Anyway, I've now finally looked at the menu, looked at the settings, changed a few things, so I might even do another video with Avata at some point. But anyway, how about send this video to a friend who's planning to buy an FPV drone for the first time? I would absolutely love to know what they think. And if you're into photography, filmmaking, then subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.